with his rump and scoots in the houses, this one, are they? The old move looks like it's a little bit unlevel. Grown-ups, please mind your head.
Whir, spinning wheel. Do as you are told. All the straw in this room spin into fine gold.
Oh, there's Rumpel Scootskin down there. He's spinning it. Oh, come on, let me get past.
Oh, yeah, I can see him then.
Once upon a time, there was a poor miller who had a very beautiful daughter. One day, he had an audience with the king, and in order to impress him, he told the king that he had a daughter who could spin straw into gold.
Now that's a talent worth having.
Watch yourself on these steps.
If your daughter is as clever as you say, bring her to my palace tomorrow and I'll test her. See if she really can spin straw into gold.
It weren't last time, Hardy. Let's have a look at this cottage over here. Goldilocks and the Three Bears. What's your hair?
Well, hello! Is anyone at home? Can I come in?
Mother.
And Baby Bear. One morning, their breakfast porridge was too hot, so they went for a walk to let it cool. While they were out, a little girl called Goldilocks found the house. She knocked at the door. No one answered, so she crept in. Inside, she found the table set for breakfast. Goldilocks was very hungry, and the creamy porridge smelled.
Oh, there's Goldilocks in the bed.
She sat in Father Bear's big chair.
There's Baby Bear.
This chair was too hard, and the porridge was too salty. So she tried Mother Bear's chair and tasted the middle-sized bowl of porridge. This chair was too soft, and the porridge was too sweet. Finally, she tried Baby Bear's tiny chair.
This is the way we wash our clothes, wash our clothes, wash our clothes. This is the way we wash our clothes so early in the morning.
Do you want milk in?
Yeah, go on, milk him. Here you are. Supposed to proper milk him. Go on. Oh, too late. Hee. Come a piggy bank. Soap powder bill. Council tax demand. Credit bill. Things to do. 100 shorts for the king to be for the king to be ironed. Oh. Watch it.
The way we wash our clothes,
Wash our clothes, wash our clothes. This is the.
we wash our clothes so early in the morning.
Oh, let's have a look in this one. Oh, whose house do you think this is? Hardy, have you seen what I've spotted? I'm having this. You're not having it. Don't you dare! It's... Yeah, let's have a look in here. Go and sit down.
I'm the king.
One night, a young princess was out walking when she came across a large pond. Sitting down for a rest, she took a golden ball from her pocket and threw it into the air and caught it. This she did again and again, but one time she threw the ball so high that when it came down she wasn't able to catch it. The ball bounced away until it fell right into the pond. Upset she had lost her favourite thing in the world, the princess just popped his head out of the water and said,
Oh. Mind your head. Move up.
One day, Little Red Riding Hood had to go and visit her grandmother, who'd
How
been
much
ill
are losing
and
now?
cheering up. She packed up a basket with lots of goodies and put on her little red cloak. Just as Little Red Riding Hood was leaving home, her mother called out, "Remember, don't talk to any strangers." It was a lovely sunny day. Little Red Riding Hood sang a song as she skipped through the forest to her
We'll
grandmother.
try some a mini step.
Just then, a sly old wolf stepped out. "Where are you off to?"
Little pigs, little pigs, please let me in.
And blew the house down. Both little pigs squealed in terror and ran as fast as they could down the path to the third little pig's house. The wolf followed. He was now extremely hungry and annoyed that he hadn't caught a pig yet. He called out to the three little pigs in the brick house.
Little pigs.
Come in, my pretties. Don't be shy.
Addy, to get that stick. Stir that, stir it.
Let me out.
Oh, there's frogs in here.
Oh, they're going to bring a stick and cut on it.
There was once a poor woodcutter who lived with his children, Hansel and Gretel, and their mean stepmother. One winter, when there was little food, the stepmother decided she would take the children deep into the forest and leave them to starve. Frightened children.
Ah, she's in the cupboard.
Didn't know what to do.
Have you seen her?
She's in the cupboard.
White pebbles shining in the moonlight gave Hansel an idea.
Yeah, but push her in the cupboard.